We're not a farm channel. Monday night, getting ready to put this thing in the box for Brownstown tomorrow night, or tonight when you see it. Got to check the rear end fluid. Doug's under there now. We did find a hole in an airbag. That's got to be addressed this week. Tire guy's here, getting stuff ready for tomorrow night.
Hey, Jason.
Hey, yeah.
A drink can or a couple rags. Good if it's running out?
I would assume so. Is that plug about halfway up?
Yeah. It ran out as soon as I took it, opened it. I don't know if I get any more in it. Oh yeah, it's oozing out.
Yeah, oh yeah, I can see it running down the rear end.
Ask Max once. I mean,
I'm gonna see where to find 2 nuts for these. Actually, he's got the studs.
And that's the airbag. Doug's going to attempt to change one while we're under there. While he's under there, the one that has a hole in it. She's up in the air now.
the stud comes out with the back. Yeah. Oh shit!
That goes in the bottom of the bag.
Okay.
So you Loctite this in there, and then you put the nut on it.
Let me. I'm not seeing it here. I don't know if I got enough room to get it out.
But did you take the air fittings off the top first?
Yeah. Here's what I got on it.
Oh. Okay, yep, and you'll get all brand new ones for that.
Okay.
There's that stud. I'm gonna get some Loctite.
Can't get that fucking bag off. If I can get the bag off, I can. Like that.
Got her now.
Ah, motherfucker. I got it.
So it Loctites into that bag. See that?
Gotcha. So I literally got to get this started first.
Well, no, I put the bag up there with it.
And then do it all one shot.
Yeah, because you can hang the bag off of those 2 studs there.
Yep.
Just make sure your air fitting's in the right spot, Doug.
Gotcha. Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Now, on this air fitting though, compared to what's up there and locked into that thing,
We'll put the new one on. It'll be all compression.
is that
Which you can use that one for now, Doug. The one that's on it.
I can?
Yeah, because we're gonna do all the other ones. We'll do them all over the pit.
Yeah, but I spun that. Oh, I can just spin that in
It's
there.
just
like,
giant
okay.
gasket.
I got you. Yeah, got you. Now the other one had bolts going through it.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These. So I gotta line that up.
Yep.
Your air fitting on the right side.
Yeah, I hope we can get it up. It's gonna be close.
Well, we can let the jack down a little bit too.
No, I think I gotta compress it down. Well, I think I get it. Where's that flashlight?
Needs to go back your way, just about.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Where's my flashlight?
I can get my arm in there.
I say we just disconnect it this week and
Yes.
run it on there.
Hey, you can race 2 or 3 night Fordites, and one tow job's gonna eat your whole everything you're wanting to accomplish.
I mean, we could do this on the side of the road though, Doug. Wouldn't that be fun?
Oh, there's no fucking way.
That is a hell of a fucking exhaust for the generator.
Have you looked at
This
these?
is oil field type.
Have you looked at these tires?
They're bad. The inners are scalloped.
It's because they're on that front axle. They scrub so bad.
You don't know how happy this makes me feel. Getting this done.
Well, at least we have them here. You got the air fitting on the inside, right?
Yeah, it's right here.
Didn't want you to fuck yourself.
No, I looked at that when Jason said make sure you got it out. No, they're not hard.
You can hear the other one pissing.
You could hear this one.
Yeah.
It's right where it's
Can't see the date.
Original? No.
Oh, okay. No, we're golden now. That's huge. Okay. All right, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Let's get through my exit.
She had a hole in her. We'll do the other 3 on the pit. Definitely don't want to be on the side of the road with a blown airbag. That equals big tow bell. We're not a farm channel. It's Tuesday the 17th. We're gonna go racing last Tuesday and had more airbag problems, so we're here at Renderer Farms, about a mile from Daryn's house. They got a nice pit they're allowing us to use. Max and Daryn are friends with them, so we can change all the airbags on this thing. That's our plan for today. We need that other jack again to jack up.
Yeah, Doug's getting that out right now.
We don't have power for the air compressor.
I'm sure. Did they turn it off?
I think I did that night. I don't know. I don't remember. Well, one out. Hey, that's a lot quicker than trying to lay underneath it and do it.
Heck yeah, we got all 3 of them.
Do you push them or pull
Yeah,
out, isn't it?
push and then pull.
I mean, pull back on the collar?
If you're not careful,
Yeah.
you get all 3 of them done faster than you did one.
It's going to happen probably.
There you go.
Got it. I might get. I'm just gonna. Jason, you got the air fittings?
Nope. You want me to grab them?
Yeah.
They still in the trailer?
I guess. I thought I brought all 3. Yeah, I must have it still up there. Here you go.
You want me to put it up there?
Nice pit we're working in here.
We'll just put the fitting up there once it's up on the frame. Gotcha.
Was it up or down when you got it in?
Let's see. Give me those
Down.
nuts. Them 2 nuts.
Oh, here you go, Doug.
I can't see that. I have one other.
We all got it on bags. T. Yes, we got it. Where's the other hole? That's all one, Doug?
That's the old one.
What's that one got for fittings? So those 3 got T's on them.
Yep. Both of the back ones were T's.
Okay, so I need to build. So usually that's for.
Never ending, ain't it?
Alright, I'm gonna go build them all the same. Be right back, Doug.
There's our oil leak right there.
Yep, here, Jason.
Quite the shop they got here. They built this last year, or 2 years ago. Within the last 2 years it's been built. They're underneath checking for air leaks. Ogre showed up. Lots of red equipment.
The hub went off with the tire, and the spindle's just like.
Checking for leaks now. Well, we've been back to Daryn's about 20 minutes and she's still staying up. She's not dropped down, so that's a good thing. Maximus is going to do his best Earl Scheib on the crash cart. Going to get it painted up so it don't rust anymore. Daryn's over there mowing grass. You want to let Ricky do that?
Yeah. It is really good stuff.
Yeah. I asked him, I says, that for our wheels? Did you get that from Bab?
Yeah. Looks good though.
Yeah. So we didn't go to Brownstown last Tuesday night because of the airbag issue. We were going to take the old car on this to Highland Saturday night, and they rained out. But we will be at Peebly, I-55, Federated Auto Parts Raceway, whatever it goes by, Friday and Saturday for the Summer Nationals versus World Outlaws. If you can't be there, should be a really good show. Check it out on Dirt Vision. You can check all the Summer Nationals out on Dirt Vision. That's probably going to do it for this one. New cars in the trailer loaded already, ready to go. Got Davenport on for the Summer Nationals and sprint cars at Eldora on the left side. That's going to do it for this one. We will catch you all Friday at Peebly. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Max is trying to take Ricky's job. Looks pretty good.
These sound pretty nice.
Yeah.